Let me explain you also Actoil VS Plus, which ATC has specially designed for buffability. Actoil VS Plus is basically natural and synthetic sulfone ester fat liqueurs combination with some modified high-quality vegetable oils. We can consider Actoil VS Plus also as a main fat liqueur, especially in nubuk production.
Right.
And
okay.
For the main fat liqueur of patent leathers. The effect of that, it is soft but little bit tight character. As a main fat liqueur, we can use as alone or in a combination with other fat liqueurs we can benefit by. One thing also I want to explain you, ATC has developed these fat liqueurs in the mentality to keep the softness and the grain tightness in a balance. This is very important criteria because of course softness is the most common desired effect. But when we use classical fat liqueurs, the softening effect is coming. But because together with this, sometimes we obtain also grain looseness and overweight. But ATC new generation fat liqueurs, we totally 100% secure that we obtain optimal softness, very high tear strength, very good light fastness, physical properties, but there is no any grain looseness.
So traditionally, if you wanted a more soft leather, you just increase the percentage of traditional fat liquors, and then it becomes more overweight,
More
heavier,
exactly,
more snare,
exactly, and grain looseness
and
also.
more grain looseness. So with the new technology, we can use lower addition and get the same soft, but
Exactly,
without overweight.
exactly.
Sounds good to me, Deniz.
Actoil VS Plus also we can combine together with Actoil AMG in all type of full wedge, semi-wedge and very high synthetic retanned leathers we can benefit by together with AMG and VS Plus, which gives extraordinary physical properties. I have to mention this point. And the last, I want to talk about Actoil GLC. Actoil GLC is also specifically designed by ATC to produce very high quality suede leathers. We can consider Actoil GLC as a main fat liqueur because the chemical structure is natural and synthetic sulfone ester derivatives together some very specific fatty acid components. This fat liqueur is very highly electrostable, especially Actoil GLC. ATC has designed to be used in sofa type of upholstery leathers. As a main fat liqueur, we can use from 10 to 15, 16%, which is high amount. It's totally, there is no risk of overweight, grain looseness. On the other hand, we can obtain very optimal inner softness with high physical properties.
Okay, great. So the ATC Fatliquor range is future.
As you see with this fat liqueurs by itself, I have to mention one more time that all these fat liqueurs can be used as a main and sole fat liqueur in the fat liqueuring combination in all type of soft to semi-soft type of leathers. Also, we can combine all these fat liqueurs in any proportion.
Right.
Because when you dose these fat liqueurs to the drum, it creates excellent emulsion.
Right.
And it penetrates into leather very homogeneous. So finally, physically, we are able to achieve very high quality leathers. Double face, suede, cow, goat, wet white, wet blue, semi-wedge, full wedge, all type of leathers.
Sounds great. Perfect. Thank you very much, Deniz. Excellent.